Little ducks went out to play in the sun on a bright spring day. They splashed in puddles, had some fun. Then one little duck said, "I'm done." Four little ducks played near a tree, chased a butterfly, 1, 2, 3. One flew off to see the sky and waved the others a goodbye. Three little ducks found a hill, rolled down laughing, what a thrill. One got tired and took a nap under a tree in Mama's lap. Two little ducks ran through a gate, looking for frogs, they couldn't wait. One found a pond and jumped right in, with a great big splash and a happy grin. One little duck looked all around. "Where's my friends? They can't be found." Mama duck called, "Quack, quack, come back!" And 5 little ducks ran down the track. 4 little ducks played near a tree, chased a butterfly, 1, 2, 3. One flew off to see the sky and waved the others a goodbye.